Welcome to Woggle Guides. In today's guide, I'll explain how you can quickly find and install the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Let's get straight into it. I'm on my Android phone and I'm looking at a page view that shows the Google Play Store app. The Play Store is very important when it comes to installing any apps on your phone. It's your go-to place to download any new apps you want to add to your phone. Now, of course, it's shown on screen here, but if you can't locate it on your phone, you can quickly find it by tapping on the search bar at the bottom of the page and searching for the Play Store. Let's return to the home screen, and I'll tap on the Play Store app once to launch it. The Play Store opens onto the home page, but I'm going to open the search bar for the app by tapping on the small magnifying glass at the bottom of the page. As in this example, you may also need to tap into the search bar that appears at the top of the page. Once that's open, I'll now type the word Snapchat into the search bar, and it guesses that I'm looking for Snapchat before I even finish the word. I'll tap on that to search for the Snapchat app in the Play Store. We're then presented with the search results page. Now this can be a little confusing, as the top app shown in the list isn't Snapchat. This is just a sponsored app you can ignore. What we're looking for is the familiar logo shown a little way down the page. You'll see this is just called Snapchat. To install the app on your phone, all we now need to do is tap on the blue Install button. Your phone will now begin downloading and installing the Snapchat app. The time this takes will depend on your internet connection speed. You'll see a small percentage indicator that shows how your download is progressing. It's best to keep this installation page open on your screen until the download is completed. You'll know that the Snapchat app has installed on your phone when the blue Install button changes to an Open button. If you wish, you can navigate to your home page and open the new app from there. Or if you're lazy like me, you can just tap on the Open button to launch the app from this page for the first time. The Snapchat app will then open. As this app is new to your phone, you'll be presented with a login page for Snapchat. On that page, you can sign up for a new Snapchat account using your email or Google login. If you already have an existing account, tap on the login button to enter your Snapchat details here. If this Woggle guide helped you learn something new, please hit that like button. And to ensure you never miss out on future guides designed to make your life easier, subscribe for free. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.